Okay, early 70s Ford people. I got a 1977 Ford pickup truck I'm working on, and I had to replace the ignition switch. This is the socket. This goes in the dash. Your little ring goes on here that holds it in. This is your lock set that goes inside this thing. Well, I didn't know this, but it won't go in. It will not go in. I bought a new switch, took it back to the dealer because I couldn't get it in, or to the parts store. They couldn't get it in. They didn't know how to do it. So I took that one back. Something was wrong with it. So I went to a different parts store. Got another one. Same thing. Won't go in. There's no videos on YouTube that I could find that shows you the trick. There's a little trick. There's a little hole right there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. But you have to turn your cylinder. This is off. Turn it back to accessory. Insert a paper clip in that little hole and turn this key backwards. You turn it backwards. Once you do that, your key will slide right in and you're in business. To get it out, to get the one out of the dash, you do the same thing. You put your key in and turn it to accessory. Push the thing in and turn it backwards, and it pulls right out. So there you go. That's how to get them out, and that's how to get them back in. Alright, y'all have a blessed day.